Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Lakeview Campground in Lee's Summit, Lee's Summit, Missouri, which is just outside of Kansas City. This is a state park is what it is. So if you get a chance to come down here, you might want to take a look at this park and see some of the things I liked and some things I didn't like about this park. Be sure to share some of those with you toward the end. But anyway, let's get to it, because you've just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. In this part of the park, I decided to explore on bicycle. It's so much more efficient. Oh. And you can just coast down and listen to the breeze. There's a lot of spots back here. Look like they are more tent sites than anything here. Thought maybe there was a river that goes around here, but there's not. Just the way these trees looked. But lots of nice areas out here to picnic, and that one there needs some trimming around it. Picnic table there. The rest of them look pretty good, I must say. Well, this is the restroom and shower room. And we're going to go inside. I actually just reconned it, so it's okay. No, it's no one in there. That's my bicycle. Yay. There's a little playground area for the kids there. Let's go inside. Rules for the restroom. Don't pee on the floor. That's what it should say. Fresh toilets. Looks like it's taken care of. Got some open air up there. Toilets. And some showers. These look remarkably like the ones I saw at Fort Benning. When I was at Fort Benning down at Uchee Creek. I'll put that up right there. Check out Uchee Creek. But the showers look a lot like them. Cool, I'm sure the ladies look similar. So that's actually the front area coming in. You can see this is gated, and they give you a passcode for that. And that's the little gate guard right there to the left, straight ahead I should say. I think one of them actually lives in that one. But he comes in here and it comes to a T. And you go left or right. I'm down here on the right. Looks like some of the bigger rigs are down here. And of course, on out that way is the camping for tents. Is on out that way. And this way here, you would go down to kids play area and some other camping areas there. Look like they're for some smaller units, but I'm gonna take a look at that in just a second. So there's a standard site. It's kind of like mine is that you see here. Sort of. This one here looks like it's only power. So not all of them are full service hookups, but I want to take a look at one of these. My guess is this is probably 30 amp. We're going to look at it real quick. Look at that. It probably was a 50 amp, but they blocked it off. It is a 30 amp here, but that 50 amp is probably blocked off for some reason. Don't know why. They got a breaker for it. Not many people with 50 amp want no water, no sewer. But I'll show you a couple others. That's about like mine. About 36-foot Georgetown there. Here's some tin campers, and I don't have any tin campers on the other side. So here is the customary fire pit. You can see it's not very tall on the side. It's only about 6 to 8 inches up. Got a cooker. You could throw them hot coals up underneath that and cook on that, I guess. Put some aluminum foil down where you got tetanus. And I see a lot of them have a bumper like this. Almost parking bumpers. I forget what they call those. All right, so what kind of setup do you get here? It looks like the newer sites actually have a spigot, but they got 2 spigots. That spigot is not for my neighbor, because there is no neighbor here. My neighbor's way over there, and he's got his own spigot. So I put my garden hose up in case I wanted to wash a tire or something like that. I always put that on there. And hookup looks something like this. You can see got some power off, power on, all that good stuff. I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna touch it though. We got the power on here, so we got 50 amp here, we got 30 amp in the center, and 110 on the other side. Sometimes you might want to use 110 if you got like an outdoor grill or something. You don't want to hook it up to something else. You can run an extension cord over here and run it. Then they got these big poles here. I got a towel drying on this one. And the sewer So it's a nice hookup. It's all right here together. I wish more and more RV parks would do this. Put them together. The reason is almost everything I have comes out of one bay, which is right there, okay? So if this is close to that bay, everything is close to that bay. I don't have water up there, sewer over here. You know, it's all right there together. It's awesome. I also, you can see I got one of these. This actually gives me Bluetooth, so I can Bluetooth straight to my phone and check power usage. I can actually know exactly how much power I got coming here. It's very beneficial if you stay in an RV park that charges you for power. You know exactly, your numbers should match up. And I also got a combination lock here on the side because I don't want to steal anything. Those are like $350. I didn't pay that for it, but that's what they run. So that's basically what a site is. This one here, I don't have any concrete pads. Some of the others got concrete pads. I did not, but I got a nice big spot here. I saw this on Google Maps. I saw this spot, and the next to me, the reason I wanted these is this. Trees. We have trees that have tons of shade. Nothing really close. If the wind blows, nothing's still going to touch my RV. I don't know why that light's on. That light should be off. I won't turn it off here in a little bit, but everything's nice and high, and the space is really big. A lot of RV parks, you see this space here, they'd put another RV in there, but luckily this one is a state park. State parks don't tend to do that. There's also room for one in there, but again, state parks don't tend to do that. So, and then I got a nice big area back here behind me. I actually didn't see the volleyball net. How about that? Nice big grassy area here, good for playing catch or what have you. Check out that RV. Check out his colors. You don't see that every day. That's a custom job. That did not come from the factory like that. Anyway, interesting. Got a super slide on it. But let's see what. Well, that's about all I got to show you today. So be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I can use all the subscribers I can get, and also the longer you watch a video, it really helps me out. One day down the road. Of course, I've been doing this about 3 years. Doing videos about 3 years, and you've yet to make a single penny off any of these videos, but it's getting closer. The more and more views I get, and the more and more hours of watch time that people watch our videos, we'll get that taken care of, and one day we'll actually make my first $13 check, which I will show here on my YouTube channel, my first check, if I can ever get one. But be sure to like and subscribe, and tell people about this channel, and be sure to check out all of our other areas on this channel, like Masonic buildings from around the country, the churches, the RV church reviews, the church reviews that I do, the wife and I do, and I haven't done one in a while. Been busy doing some other things, but we'll get back doing those. Definitely want to go to some churches here in Texas while we're here. But right now, this particular park is not just outside of Kansas City, and it's a really cool park. I really like it. It's one of the better state parks. It really is, especially with the non-gravel here, roads going around, so you don't get a lot of dust. Only a lot of the spots are gravel, which I'm okay with that. But we'll catch you down the road. If you see us and you're happy to be in a park, hey, stop by and say hello. But I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.